mesmerizing, so pure, so beautiful. I loved it. You know, I have never felt like this ever. Never in the Caribbean, anywhere. That it was just so pure. I actually fell in love with it, and I will be going back, honestly. Gozo on the whole, it's just so pure, so beautiful. Honestly.
Did the meditation help you?
Yeah, meditation was awesome.
And the yoga, was it difficult
and
to do?
The yoga wasn't difficult, no, it was brilliant.
Sorry,
The well-being coach as well, awesome job. Like the stuff we discussed, took a lot of points home. It was just little points, but it stuck in my head. Just beautiful, everything about it.
Uncle, it's me, your niece.
I just